on? Here we are today. It's the next weekend. I ended up just the weather wasn't playing too well, and not only that, I had to wait on the tool because the goon asses didn't send me the right kit to begin with. But anyways, I'm gonna go pick up my heads. I went ahead and dropped my heads off at the machine shop. A friend of mine that helped me install my headers, so we're gonna run over there, grab my heads and all that. We're gonna come back and hopefully get started. Ishmael's supposed to be meeting up with me at the barn around 9 or so, I'll pick back up whenever I get to the machine shop. Alrighty, so we ended up making it to the shop and everything. I went ahead and got some cash out of the bank, and we're here, we made it. So I'm gonna run in, pay the man, and talk to him for a minute, and then grab my heads, and then we're gonna go to the house. Alrighty, so the heads are just kind of over there on the floor, but we're back. I've been talking to Ishmael. Huge thank you to Ishmael for helping me out. So we've been talking, we're kind of getting a game plan. He recommended that we start with the oil pan first, because if we put in the lifters and have that oil, because I'm soaking my lifters currently. He brought this point up that if we put the lifters in now, it's just gonna drip oil down in, and of course if we take the oil pan off to clean it, I mean, kind of common sense, oil will be dripping in our face. So we're gonna wait to do the lifters. We're gonna do the oil pan first, probably go back with it, and then we can actually do the timing cover, the oil pump, the gears and all that shit. But I don't know, I'm gonna bring you all along, and I'm gonna play some music, start the time lapse, and we'll kind of go from there. So Sunday for sure, but I've got a lot of work to do. I just want to get the motor buttoned up today. That's for sure, the main thing. So
see, now this is where it bottomed out right there.
Cool.
I'm gonna back off just a little bit and just come up to it snugly. That's it.
Hell yeah. I'm just gonna hop over here and do this other side. I'll hand you as we go. Roll with it.
That's the only one that's different.
Yeah, that's the only short stud that matters. From what I was told, yes. Hi. Sit. 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 Why's your nose bleeding, dude? Come on now. Oh wait, I got one. Yeah, I was like, what is that? Oh, yeah. So you pretty good at welding, or?
Oh shit, I can burn shit like the next guy.
Yeah, but I bet you can get it better than me. At least where it'll hold. I mean, I've already got the battery disconnected too, and it's already lifted, so.
I think you just leave it open-handed, man.
Hell no.
Right?
Every goddamn cop in town will be coming after my ass.
Yeah.
Shit.
Tell him, man. Remember?
Can't outrun the radio, though.
Something did stick last night.
That's right. Alrighty, so here we are. They're grabbing photos and stuff. So, but anyways, we got down to the push rods. The heads are now torqued to spec with ARP head studs and everything. We're gonna roll back with it. We're gonna put the push rods in, and we're gonna do the rockers and everything, and hopefully then do the valve covers, and then hell, everything will be sealed up completely for now, and then hopefully we can jump on the fuel system right after. And then if these boys are feeling like it, I'll probably go take them to lunch or something. You know, they've been busting their ass for me, so. today should be the last day that we're working on this, since I've only got to work on it on the weekends. But anyways, I'm planning on doing a more detailed short little videos here and there on certain steps, and basically to kind of bring light on some stuff that I had to Google search and everything, and you know, and I couldn't find hardly shit out there for. So what I'm gonna do is hopefully I can provide some more information or on how-tos on to do certain steps, because shit that I had to Google and call and ask people and stuff like that, you know, I feel like it'd just be easier if I make a video with it and I title it specifically. So everything's gonna be in the vlog, mostly time-lapse and stuff. But other than that, I mean, that's really about it when it comes down to this cam install and everything. And all we have left to do, I went ahead and I put the spark plugs in last night. The GoPro ended up dying, the battery and everything, so I only put like a couple in over here before it died. But as you can see, I got all of them in, the headers hooked back up and installed with new header gaskets and everything. And that's just kind of where we're at right now. I'm gonna put the supercharger on and all that today. We're gonna get a first start today. And for now, we're gonna try to prime it real quick. So it should just roll over and not start. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?